Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. For today's video, I wanted to jump on here because I have just recently joined Protein World's family as a Protein World ambassador. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you know me personally, you know that I have been a keen gym person since I was literally about 14 years old. My eating patterns are also obviously gym related. I always try and go through like my bulking season and my lean seasons as well. So protein shakes and things like that have always been something that I use on a day-to-day basis. This is a brand that I've used in the past. It's a brand that my family members use, people that I know that are vegan or struggle to use normal protein powders. I do actually have a discount code that gets you guys 40% off site-wide. It's a pretty big discount and I was like, I need to kind of come on and show you guys what I get and also introduce you a little bit to the brand. So yeah, if you guys would like to see what I got from Protein World, then please keep watching. This is the box that came. It is absolutely huge. So we'll just open this up and see. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is their Slender Blend Whey Powder. So I tend to use two kind of protein powders depending on whether I'm bulking or if I'm leaning. Slender Blend is something I use when I am leaning out rather than bulking. If I was bulking, I would use something with a higher calorie rate. This has only got 201 calories in it, so it's perfect if you are on a calorie deficit. You can use this as a meal replacement. I will still kind of eat my regular 3 meals a day, but then a shake is just something I have post gym just to kind of like give me a little bit more energy. So I got this one in vanilla ice cream flavor. Just from getting it out of the packet, it smells absolutely insane. It's just like a really nice gentle vanilla scent. I don't like it when proteins are, you know, like vanilla or strawberry flavored or chocolate and it's super sweet. It's just really overpowering and I think you're almost conscious of the fact that you're having a shake. It almost tastes too fake, if that makes sense. So per 100 grams there is 58 grams of protein in this. If you want it to be slightly less calorie, you can obviously mix it with water or you could use almond milk to make it a little bit more high protein. I also like to just mix it with normal milk, a little bit slightly more high cal, but it sometimes makes it taste a little bit more creamier. If I'm making like a more of a smoothie, I tend to use milk rather than water just to kind of like add to the flavor. When I'm just coming back after the gym, just mix it with a bit of water and you're good to go. This is a 1.2 kilogram pack, so hopefully this is going to last me a long time. So the last thing I got was their Summer Sessions pre-workout. I tend to not eat first thing in the morning, so if I do go to the gym first thing, I like to have something to just kind of boost my energy. So I'll have like a banana and then I'll just take pre-workout with me. I just normally use 1 scoop mixed with water in a protein shaker. I try 1 scoop first if you've never had pre-workout before and you're a little bit more susceptible to like caffeine. It has a similar effect on your body. If it does taste quite weak, I tend to put another scoop in. I do like my pre-workout to be a little bit more concentrated and a really strong flavor. You can tell it's really strong because it's literally sealed and you can smell it and it's so nice. It's like a really sweet kind of like summer berries. It's really lush. I take it about 15 minutes before I want to train. It takes about 15 minutes to kick in, so I would normally take it in a shaker with me to the gym and then kind of like drink it just before I get to the gym and then whilst I'm starting to work out. I just can't go to the gym now without pre-workout. It just gives me that little bit more push, a little bit more energy, and just helps me like kind of make it through. This is a limited edition flavor, so I actually can't wait to try this. I've never tried it before. It smells absolutely insane and it's literally sealed, like it's not even taken the lid off and you can already smell it. It smells so good. I wish they made a candle out of this. So that is the end of my miniature Protein World unboxing. Obviously I just wanted to kind of introduce you guys to the brand and let you guys know about the discount. So that was kind of the main reason for today's video, and kind of also show you guys what I would use. I think I'm going to do a video of like come to the gym with me, kind of take you guys along with me, show you guys how I kind of actually integrate these products into my routine. So yeah, if you guys would like to see that, let me know down below what kind of workout you want me to do, whether it's legs, shoulders, you know, abs. Challenge me. Also don't forget that you get 40% off Protein World with my discount code. I will pop that down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.